Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to solve your example by using the properties of right angle triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangle. Let's do a quick recap on what is right angle triangle. So right angle triangle is a triangle that has an angle of 90 degree and it is indicated by a small square. If you see a small square in a triangle, means that this small square is 90 degree, or the angle here is 90 degree. All right. Next one is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, if you still remember, will always have two equal sides that is opposite to each other. Equal angles that is opposite to each other, and they also have equal sides, two equal sides. All right. And the third one is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle will always have three equal sides and three equal angles of 60 degree each. So each angle in equilateral triangle is 60 degree. And don't forget that the sum of angles in a triangle will equal to 180. It doesn't matter what types of triangle, but when you plus all the angle in the triangle, you will actually get 180. That is the first facts that you need to know. Alright? ABC is a right angle triangle. Find the angle of D. So ABC, this is a right angle triangle. Find the angle of D. They want you to find this angle, okay, just this part. Alright, we already know that it is right angle triangle, means that, okay, this angle here is 90 degree. This angle here, we know it's 40 degree. And we also know that sum of angles in a triangle will equal to 180. Means this angle plus this angle plus this angle will give you 180. And what we have now is that we have this angle, we have this angle, we also have this angle. So to get D is very easy and very straightforward. So to get angle of D, what we need to do, we take 180 minus with angle of B, which is minus 90. And then we minus with angle of C, which is 40. And then we minus of this part, which is 10 degree. And once we minus all this, we will actually get the angle of D. So maybe you would like to do a simple calculation by yourself first before I share with you the correct answer. Alright, done? So when you minus, you will get the angle of D is equal to 40 degree. So this is the answer for example 1. It's very direct. You just take 180 minus this angle, minus this angle, and minus this angle. You will get the answer for this angle. Okay? Alright, let's try another example. Okay, example 2. DEF is an isosceles triangle with DE equal to EF. Alright? DEF is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, you should have known what is the properties of isosceles triangle. The first properties is that the angle here, the opposite angle, will always be equal. If here is 45, means here is 45 as well. And then they tells you that the length of DE is equal to length of EF. DE is equal to EF. Find the angle of G. Okay. If here is 45, if angle here is 45, means angle here is 45 as well, right? Okay. Now, let's focus on this shape. Okay, let's use another color. Let's focus on this shape. This is a triangle, right? Am I right? So, a triangle will always give us the sum of angle of 180. Am I right? It means that this angle plus this angle plus this angle will give you 180 degree, correct? And for this question, we already have this angle. we also have this angle. So to get G is very direct and very easy. What do we need to know what do we need to do is that angle of G is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree minus 45 degree. Okay, 180, because this small triangle is 180 degree, this angle is 90, this angle is 45. So to get this angle, all you need to do is that you just minus them. 180 minus 90 minus 40, and you will get angle of G is actually 45 degree. Okay, I hope you understand this one. So for this question, you just look at this triangle. Okay, you only look at this triangle. You can ignore the triangle this side and just look at this triangle to get the answer, to get G. Okay, all right. Example 3. Okay, example 3. XYZ is an equilateral triangle with XY, okay, equal to YZ equal to ZX. Equilateral triangle. Okay, find the angle of P. Okay, find the angle of P. Now, equilateral triangle means that the angle is always the same, and each angles will give you a value of 60 degree. Now, find the angle of P. Okay, what we know is that this angle is 60 degree, correct? Because it is an equilateral triangle. So here is 60 degree. Here is 60 degree as well. Okay. Here is 60 degree as well, actually. Okay, I mean both side is 60 degree. Sum of both side, this side and this side, will give us 60 degree. But since we know that this side is 20, means that here is 40 degree. Because 40 plus 20, you get 60, right? So we can just write it as like this. Okay. So both is, here is 40, here is 40, here is 20. But when the angle all together, you will get 60. So find the angle of P. This is again a very direct question. We know that this side is 60 degree. We know that this angle is 20 degree. So just look at this small triangle. Just look at this small triangle to get your answer. To get P, we know that the angle in this triangle is 180 degree. We know that this angle is 60. This angle here is 20. So how do we get P? So to get P, we take 180 degree minus with 60, minus with this one, okay? And then minus with this angle, which is 20 degree. So when you minus, maybe you want to do some calculation, and then you will get the answer is 100 degree. So the angle of P is 100 degree. All right. So I hope it's clear. I think that's all. So thank you. I will see you inshallah in our next video. I hope you understand. If you still confused about any part of it, please comment or give me some feedback so I can help you to explain more in detail for any parts that you feel you're confused about. Alright, so thank you. Assalamualaikum.